Hey all, welcome to Motoramblings. I'm Patrick, and today I'm going to be trying to install some luggage racks on the 2026 CFMoto Ibex 450. Stay tuned for that. If you're new here, please consider hitting that like button and that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not new here, welcome back. Tools you will need: drill, something to cut a hole in the plastics, a small pointed screwdriver, ratchet, 13mm wrench, 10mm wrench, and then you've got a 5 and a 6 on your little drivers here. That's pretty much it. Take care of everything. All right, before we go much further, I just kind of wanted to tell you that I'm not going to be talking a lot. Of course, on Motoramblings, I talk way too much as it is. But when I'm doing stuff like this, I like to listen to the radio, and YouTube doesn't like me to listen to the radio. So I'll just kind of show what I'm doing, but I'm not going to be talking through it. You don't need me to do that anyway. I'm not an expert at this stuff. I'm just kind of winging it. Anyway, I'm going to start with removing stuff and putting it back together. I'll show you what I'm doing, and maybe at the end I'll recap it a little bit. But right now, let's just see how we tear this apart and then put things back together. All right, guys, I wanted to jump in here real quick. This is the panel for the shifter side of the bike. It pops off. You saw me pop it off with the little rivets. But these tabs that are on the ends, they also have white clips. And these white clips seem to be pretty easy to pop off. And just pop it back on the tab. And then when you go to put it back on, it should be all set and it should pop into place. Just an FYI. All right, folks. Well, I put the racks on. They're pretty rugged. I think they're going to be good. It went on quite easy for the most part. Now, there are some spacers that are supposed to go at the top part here, and I'll show you in just a second, that aren't clearly marked which one's which. I think I found where they belong, each one. The spacers are a little tiny bit different sized, and like I said, the instructions weren't super clear. Anyway, I will show you in little bits and pieces what I did to put these racks on. I am not one of these install guys. I'm not good at that kind of thing, but I'll show you what I did to make this happen. First, show you the racks. They're solid. I'm going to go ahead and install the hurricane bags on those racks to see how they look. I hope everyone will stay well, stay safe, most of all, stay happy, y'all. Motoramblings out. See ya.